Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamran and you're watching my YouTube channel. Once again, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will explain about the radial bar chart. If you have any question regarding to the same topic, please write me in the comment section below. Please watch the complete video, and if you still did not subscribe to my channel, I request you to please press the subscribe button, and if you like the video, then do not forget to press the like button as well. Then next you will see my computer screen. Thank you so much. So hi guys, this is my computer screen. Let's begin with the radial bar chart. This will be the final output of today's demonstration, today's tutorial, how we can do this. So let me open a new Tableau worksheet for you. And today I am using this data set, which is countries and the total cases. Again, it's a COVID-19 cases as of now. I use only top 10 countries, and I created another table or a sheet called path, which contain only two values, 1 and 270. Make sure this data and this information available for you. If you have any sort of data, make sure that you prepare or you add this information. So how to do that, how to add this into the Tableau, right? Just open a sheet, connect with the data. I'm using the same data. You see I already have the data tab, which brings the same information. Now you have two options, whether you drag this, just double click on the data table to go into the join mode, and you can, if you have already prepared this data into a sheet or somewhere in the table or in the database, you can bring this data and make a join. Or if I remove this, there is another way, quick way. Remove the another way, just copy this information, Control C, and come here. You can just say Control V. So see, it's bring the same information here. Now let me bring the make a calculated join condition by clicking on the create join calculation. Write one, say OK. In the here you can say create calculation, write one, say OK, and you can rename this sheet to model. It's same as you bring that information from the previous table. It's up to you how you are going to join it or how you want to do that. Now go to the sheet, and we already have this information available. To complete this tutorial, we need some calculation. I already prepare all the calculation formulas here for you. So let's begin by copying this information. Control C, create first calculated field, paste, and you can name it index. Okay, and then we have another calculated field. You can just copy it, create calculated field, Control V, remove this name. You can paste it here and just say apply. So now third calculated field, just copy and quickly make all the calculation. After this calculation, I will show you how to utilize these calculations. And the rank calculation, create calculated field, Control X, rank, apply, and then X and Y, file calculated field called X. Last calculated field, we call it Y. So now this all the calculation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 calculations are ready. Before we move, we need one more field. We call it path bin. How to create the path bins? Just right click onto the path which coming from the model, and you can click onto the create and create bin. Give the size of the bin equal 1, say OK. Just bring the bin first into the column shelf, right click on it, make sure show missing values has been checked. If in your case it's not checked, make sure it has been checked, and then go to the marks card, choose line, bring the path into the line, and the X, take the X value into the columns. Just drag this X into the column and Y into the rows. Right click onto the X spell and compute using set to the path, and similarly Y bin, set the compute using bin. So this will create this type of a chart. Now we need furthermore some settings. So go on to the X again, click onto the edit table calculation, make sure you select the total max. And sorry, one more thing before you go to this, just drag the country into the color shelf. So we have the countries. Now if you go to the right click and go to the edit table calculation, go to this one, table calculation max total cases, and make sure you check the country and bring the country onto the top. And then go to the rank function, table called calculated rank. Here also again you need to check, make sure you bring this up and select the level equal to country, close it. Similarly, right click onto the Y pill and then go to the edit table calculation, do the same thing for the table calculation max total case, make sure country is selected and make it up. Similarly, go to the rank function and click onto the country and make the country up, right? And then country, make sure the level you select the country. That's all. So now our chart is already in a radial bar chart shape. To make it customize, what we need to do, first we need to hide the axis headers. Just right click and hide, uncheck this headers and move the size calculated field onto this size mark card, and then you can increase the size as per your choice. And now we can add some labels. We can add the country to the label, and I want to bring the total cases into the label as well. Instead of total cases, I will go to the quick table calculation and say percentage of the total, double click on the formula, divided by 2. I think it will be multiplied by 2. Yes, and then go to the format and say percentage. Yes, so we have the percentage ready. Now go to the labels again, and here you just format the values. It's up to you how you want to format. And from the label shell again, click onto the end, remove the uncheck the label and to the line. So you have all the countries information mention, each and everything mentioned correctly. So now our chart is ready. To remove this background lines, you can just go to the format and go to this particular lines option, say none. So now our chart is ready, and we can give a black color, and see we still have some lines. So we can remove this line by clicking on to this one, say none. Here we can say none. So now all the lines have been removed, and we can go to the title of the sheet. I can copy from here and title, or you can just directly write the title, paste it here, Control C, italic, bold, make it white. It's up to you how you want to name it. So sheet 1, no, it should not be sheet 1. Remove this particular, say okay. So alhamdulillah, our chart has been ready. How to add this into our dashboard? Just add a dashboard here. Go to the dashboard format, make the dashboard color also black, and then drag your sheet here. No need to show the legends. Make sure you change the size to equal. So now your chart is ready. You want to add some specific graphics, float, add an image. I am adding this image. It's up to you how you want to, or if you want to add or not, or where you want to arrange. It's again your call. So alhamdulillah, we are done with the radial bar chart. I hope you like the tutorial. Please, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.